I'm coming here not for toilet paper, not for, any antibacterial, whatever, coronavirus, whatever. Nah, I'm here to get the Animal Crossing Switch. Hey cool kids, it's Coolyann here, and I am doing an unboxing video of the Nintendo Switch, and it's Animal Crossing themed, and I'm super excited to show you guys what's inside, and I'm really excited to unbox it because I've been waiting all day. I was at work and just been thinking about it all day since the morning, so yeah, let's dive in. You can also follow me on my other social media platforms, Instagram /Coolyann, and you got Twitter /Coolyann. So I'm pretty much the only Coolyann out there. So yeah, go ahead and follow me. As you can see, this is the front of the box. You have the side of the box like I showed you before with the Nintendo Switch logo. You have this really cool background of you arriving on the island. On the side, it shows you a preview of what is actually inside, which is a really cool Switch. So enough teasing, we'll get into it. I'm just gonna kind of pop that open, and we're gonna open this up. And there's the Switch. Hopefully it doesn't fall out. But there it is in all its glory. Light blue controllers. This is what I'm really excited about too, is the etch work on the back here. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's got like it has like little different villagers and your friends. And it's got like little islands, it looks like. So that's what it's gonna look like. And I'm gonna take it out of here. I'm excited. I pray that I don't drop this. Please. Oh. And you can kind of see it with the reflection of the light, like. Oh. Like, look at how cute that is though. I'm gonna look at the controllers, which is really cool. Oh my god, I love these colors. So you have a nice light blue right controller. And what's really cool is that it has these really cool light blue buttons on the sides. And it's got like a nice cream color, which is super cute. And the blue color goes all the way around. I love it. And then this is the like a mint green color, which I love. This is the mint green look. And it's got the mint green buttons. How freaking cute. I love it. And it's got like a nice like matte feel to them. So I really like that. Guide of some sort. We don't really care about that. All right, so it comes with the Joy-Con controller. This always comes with the Switch, so it has one of these. I'll show you what it looks like slid in here. And this is what it's gonna look like on the Switch. I didn't even kind of do that. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. This is a good look. Yeah, I really love that. So this is the back with the two cream colors on the back side, which is really cool. And how's your girl look like with it? Do I look cute? No, but I really like that. It's really cute. So it does come with your wrist straps because you gotta be safe. And it looks like it comes with a light blue one and also a light green strap. Oh my god, these are so cute. I just love the detail that they put into it. It's really nice. And like, I just love those colors. They're just really freaking dope. So you have the two controllers side by side with the buttons and the straps, and they're super duper cool. I like the color scheme. It is Animal Crossing, and I really do enjoy that a lot. So get into this part. Oh my God. I'm just so excited. I don't know why. I'm like a kid. I love like this stuff so much. Oh my God. This is really cute. Oh my God. It's so much nicer in person. It just like warms my heart. I can't even. So you have the color scheme in there. And then you also have like, it's all throughout the system. So it's not like a skin or anything like that, which you can buy skins for these. Let's look at it with the Switch on there. We put the controllers on there. So now let's see it on the actual stand here. This is the Nintendo Switch on the dock. It looks so good. It looks so good in person. It just doesn't do it justice on video or anything like that. I guess we could do this either way. I think this is simpler to do it from the bottom. So if that bothers anyone, too bad. Okay. So now we're gonna open up the case. Now this carrying case also does come with a screen protector. So you do have a screen protector. I'm not gonna do that on camera because I need total concentration for that. I am not trying to mess that up. So there's that. And here is the case. So this is the back of the case. You have the cool leaves, and then this is the front of the case with the color scheme. Got it with this in there, with the Nintendo Switch in there. You just kind of put it on top like that, and I'm gonna zip it up. In my opinion, is it a great case? No, it is not the best case for your Switch. I can feel it clicking in there, which I don't know if that's not a really good thing. I would probably suggest a harder case for it, but the case is really cute if you want to keep it stylish and themed with your Switch. And that's it for the unboxing, guys. I'm super excited that I did a YouTube video unboxing. I've always wanted to do one. I will also be doing a unboxing of my PC for my new stream setup, so that's coming up soon. Join me on this journey, and I'm super excited to get to know you guys. Leave comments, subscribe if you liked it, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.